Get low, get low. Get behind him. Get behind him now. Work your half. Work your half. Work your half. There you go. Get him flat. Push him down. Push him. Chop that arm.
You can wrestle. Hey, you can wrestle somebody here.
Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Roll to the other side so you can work your half. Work your power half. Power half. You gotta get him down. There you go. There you go, bud. There you go. Put that knee in the butt. Put the knee in the butt. Go, go, go. Get him. Doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good, bud. Neutral. Hey, Chase. You're doing good, bud. Get low. Get low. Come on, Chase. Work something here. There you go. Get behind him. Get behind him.
I'll get 2 for takedown, right?
Knee in the butt and chop. You remember, knee in the butt and chop hard. Chop, chop hard. Chop. Push with the butt. Knee in the butt. There you go. There you go. Get him down. There you go. Get him down. There you go. There you nice. Keep on pushing. Push. Drive with your feet. Drive with your feet. Drive. Drive. Now drive. Knee in the butt. Just like that. Just like you're doing. Okay, bud. Chop that arm and grab it, knee to the butt. There you go. There you go. There you go. Drive, drive, drive. There you go. Now work your half. Work your half. Knee in the butt. Knee in the butt. Knee him. Knee in the butt. Chop that arm. There you go. Keep him down. Put his head down. Doing good, bud. You're doing good. You're doing good. Get low, get low. Do the cow catcher if you want. Okay, you got him, you got him. Just grab that ankle. Grab that ankle. Grab that ankle. Cow catcher right there. Right there. Cow catcher. Front headlock. Front headlock. Come on, Chase. There you go. Cow catcher right now. Get low. Get low. Get on him. Get on him. There you go. Now work your half. Power half. Power half. There you go. Power half. Hook the head. Hook the head. Hook the head. Hook the head. Hook it. Deep. Deep. Deep.
1 second left.
Chase, Chase, Chase. Shake the coach's hand.